Guys, Dirt and Rust here. Went to the flea market yesterday and got about what, 6 hammers and some other pretty cool stuff. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so let's go ahead and start it off with probably my favorite one of the day. This one was interesting. I haven't seen this type of handle, this kind of steel chrome handle on a Craftsman. This one's got the tack claw, so it's a double claw, the octagon neck, and the rubber grip. And let's see here, Craftsman No number, just Reg trademark -M. And then we got Sears on the back here. Okay, 3838, 13 ounce. You got this Framers hammer. Oh, I paid $3 for that Craftsman. And this I paid $2 for. This thing is pretty bad. But it does have the magnetic nail starter in here. I will fix this one up. It's pretty bad. Somebody laid into it here too, so I'll have to smooth that out when I feel like it. And another one kind of similar. I'm pretty sure this is a Vaughan. It's got the nail starter Framers hammer here. Milled face. Handle's not too bad on this. I didn't see any major cracks in it. Then we got this Plumb Victory. Got the bell face here. Old school looking claw. This one's chipped. And then we got a Stanley bell face, straight claw. I'm not seeing a number in there. Alright, then I got another one of these. I keep picking them up. And, oh, those hammerheads and the hammers, I basically paid an average of $2 a piece for them. This was $1. I'll keep picking these up if they're $1. It's just the basic. It's not a Ford. It's just your basic number 9 auto. And we got this some sort of a tubing bender here. Made in USA. It's got a patent number there, but no maker's mark that I could see. We got this big guy here. Gedore No.6, open and wrenched, 32 and 30 millimeters. Really roasted on the other side. Yeah, $2 for that. This was $1. I probably already said that. This was $1. Craftsman double box in ratcheting wrench. There's a patent number on the back. There's probably a number in here. Kind of hard to see with the paint there. Got this cool little drill index for $1 by, is that Huot? I don't know. Huot St Paul. Another $1 deal here. Orcon carpeting utility blade. These are pretty cool. I got these for $2. SK Tools. Vice grips. Got the number right here on the back. Number 7607. And this was a buck. A motorcycle multi-wrench with a spoke tightener here. It's got the size there. Got a few more motorcycle Honda wrenches. I got these 3 for $1. And got a Mercedes-Benz kit wrench, Matador. Got these dividers. These are Globemaster. Globemaster. Number 68080. I guess they're made in Taiwan. I didn't see that. We got a water pump wrench, a Williams super wrench, number 8924, 3/4 inch alloy. And coming up on the last thing, we got a Carpenters square. Looks pretty old school. I'm not sure on the date. Be a nice one to clean up. How's it look though? Pick that up for $1. And yeah, this one was $1 as well. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I forgot I had one more. And this is a Rawhide soft blow hammer of some sort. Handle's still good. This was stuck. I was just beginning to try to get this to loosen up. I just put some WD-40 on there. Hopefully it'll loosen up. Yeah, Rawhide, and it says Chicago on that side. Yeah, that was a cool find. I paid $3 for this. Alright, that's it guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.